The Honeywell thermostat heat-on blinking issue can be caused by several factors, including a time-off delay, a defective control board, or power loss to the condenser unit. To resolve this issue, one possible solution is to simply wait for the time-off delay to pass. This feature is designed to prevent the thermostat from short-cycling, which can damage the internal components. Depending on the model, waiting for a few seconds or minutes should allow the thermostat to return to normal functioning. Another solution is to check the power supply to the condenser unit or air handler, as a lack of power can prevent the thermostat from communicating with the system. This can be done by locating the circuit breakers that supply power to the system and ensuring they are on, removing any overloads that may be activating the circuit breakers, and checking the switches near the condenser and air handler to ensure they are on. Additionally, the wire connections between the thermostat, condenser unit, and air handler should be checked to ensure they are not loose or damaged. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to check the control board, which is the brain of the thermostat. A faulty control board can result in various issues, including software glitches and loose wire connections. In this case, it may be necessary to seek the help of qualified personnel to check and repair or replace the board if necessary.